On May 11th, 2025, officers at Savannah Hilton Head International Airport arrested a woman for shoplifting, then added tampering with evidence when she discarded the stolen glasses mid-investigation. Store surveillance documented the theft before contact was made. Probable cause under Georgia Code Section 17-4-20. Warrantless arrest, legally grounded from the start.
Like, I'm trying to pull the video up, but the video is super slow. She lives with another, like, elderly lady. I told her she had to flip stuff over, and she said, I just want to look. And I was like, ma'am, you're welcome to look if you like. And then the older lady that came in with her wanted to get me on that side of the room. So it's missing. It's, like, obviously missing, so.
Okay.
I'm just going to pull it up. I was just waiting on the internet here. Oh, there we go. We're going to watch it together.
Okay.
And see where it went. It's either her or her, and she really didn't touch much. That's the lady she was with. That's when she grabs them. Yep, there she goes. She put them in her pocket, see? She just put them in her pocket.
Yep, bees, I got it.
Yep, and she may still be here. She sticks them in her pocket and hauls butt out the door. Because I had like 4 people in here at the same time. And I knew she took something because she went way too fast out of my store.
Yep. How long ago was this?
It was at
Georgia.
49, so she left her like 51. Not that long ago.
Okay, let me see if I can find her.
All right, thank you.
I'll come back to take more information if I can't find her. Yep. Okay, we got her on video. Stealing sunglasses walked out the door. She's over here to my left at Southwest Gate between 2 and 4. We got her on video. Yep, it's got the Georgia thing and the Air Force Ones. Yep, one pair of sunglasses. We saw her take it off the shelf and put it in her pocket and leave. Can you hang and watch her? I'm gonna go back to Sunglass Hut to let them know we've got her and to get the video ready and everything.
Her mom stole a Gucci too.
Oh really? Did you have that on video?
I can pull it up in a second.
Okay, get ready to do that. We found them.
Okay, yeah, it's red and blue. It's really noticeable.
Okay. If they return
it was right there in that hole.
if they just give it back, do you want to still
I'm
proceed?
gonna prosecute because it's over 500.
Okay. She's moving. Hi, ma'am. I need to speak with you over here for a minute. You too, ma'am. I need to speak to you over here.
Okay, you can talk to me right here.
All right, that's fine. Were you at the Sunglass Hut earlier?
No, I was not.
Looks just like you. Got you on video.
You don't have me on video, do you?
Oh, yeah, we do. Yeah,
No,
we
you
do.
don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
She took some Gucci's too.
You can come and show me on camera where you
Oh, yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that.
And it's a way that y'all, like, the way the officers is killing people and stuff, approach us in a better manner than you.
Yeah.
I don't know what you
know
mean
what?
by that.
I don't get it either, but I want to show you the video because your description fits exactly, and we have you grabbing some stuff and putting in your pocket. So let's show you.
She
And then
glasses that I picked up, she told me to put them back, and I handed them to her.
that's fair enough. And then you'll show that dialogue when we do the video. Let's go ahead and proceed, please.
Okay, first of all,
Here, this is your stuff.
we watch because that's the flight that I'm taking. Put
Okay,
my
good.
stuff back.
Okay, so
Would you like to bring that stuff with you when we go down there?
Yeah, I can grab my stuff.
yeah, see that's the thing. You can't leave your stuff by itself. Listen, you can't leave it by itself. Even though someone's watching, it's got to be yours. You can't just leave it there and have someone else watching.
And then I was on my way to the restroom to change my tampon. Can I change my tampon?
Well, there's a restroom right down here.
I have blood on my pants, so I want to change my
Yes, ma'am.
tampons. And then you guys can gladly wait right out front. Yes, there's a restroom out here. To get if you're
No, she can't go to the bathroom now because what she discards the stuff.
I'm sorry?
I said I'm in Oklahoma City. I'm not going nowhere. You don't have to be out on my way.
Well, here's the concern we have. If you have any property that doesn't belong to you at this time, this is a good time to go ahead and discard it. So let's look at the video first.
Okay, I'm about to pee and change my tampon. Then we can go. You can wait right here until I
No,
get done.
you're under an investigation right now.
And
You're
that's
being
fine.
detained.
No, and I'm
You're being
bleeding.
detained.
We have a
Okay.
bathroom downstairs.
Well, I'm bleeding.
We have a bathroom downstairs for you.
I have to make it home to my grandmother.
I know, we have a bathroom there.
We have a bathroom downstairs.
I have.
It's private. It won't
understand.
even be anyone
Okay,
there.
well, go get a woman. Go get a woman, because you can't tell me I can't pee and I'm bleeding.
No, you can
and I
pee.
got
We're
blood
giving
on
you
my
a bathroom.
pants.
We're giving you a private bathroom
There's
right
a private bathroom.
I don't trust that. Let me use the bathroom where everybody around can
right
see
here.
me.
Okay, so first things first. You know what you know why we're stopping you, right?
No, I don't know, but I
Okay,
need
have
to pee.
you told her yet?
I need to pee,
I
and then
I told her that we have
can
her-
address it.
She's been alleged, and then we have on video.
Okay,
that she-
so can you take that out for me? Whatever that was taken from the store, show it to me before you go inside, because I don't know what you're gonna be doing in there.
I'm going to go use the restroom.
Right. So how can I trust you that?
Yeah, he's sitting up here talking about they say that me and Mama stole something. Mama gone. I'm trying to go pee and change my tampon. They making it a big deal. And
She's been accused of shoplifting, and we have it on video. So she wants to go say she used the bathroom, but the problem is that we can't control everything that she has. So we're going to bring her into the private bathroom downstairs, where she'll be all by herself. We won't even be in
But
there.
how can you tell me when I can and can't pee?
Would you like to come with us?
He getting on the same flight as me.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying. For your
well,
comfort.
I gotta pee, and
what-
y'all not. I'm about to go pee, and y'all can stand right here.
Ma'am, you're under investigation detention
Okay,
right now.
and
You
that's
can't do
fine.
anything like that right now.
Y'all
You're going to
can't
go
tell
to
me
a
I can't
secure.
use the bathroom or when
No,
it's
I'm telling you,
if
you
I'm
can use.
telling you that it's
I'm telling you, you can use the bathroom and the
if I'm
secure
telling you it's
location,
blood on my pants,
and
you
it's
cannot
just right
sit here-
downstairs.
You cannot just sit here and tell me that I got to
Yes,
walk
I
around
can.
bloody.
You're
No,
under
can't.
an investigative detention right now. You are not free to go. You may use the bathroom in our private area, and this person who seems to you have trust may escort you, but you're going to go into a private escorted area with your own privacy. So I am allowing you and giving you the immediate opportunity to use the bathroom. Do you understand that?
Now, if this escalates further, I may have to put you in handcuffs.
Exactly.
So would you prefer not being handcuffs or handcuffs?
Where's mom at? On some weird shit. I don't know. But the shit got me up because I don't got to do shit like this. And y'all sit up here stereotyping.
No one's stereotyping you. That's what I'm doing right now.
So I'm on Miss Mike's flight.
All right, so we're going to ask you a quick question. So, saw you on camera, grab an item. So where is it?
I don't have it, sir. I'm gonna tell you the truth.
So
I
where,
picked up-
so where'd you put it?
I put it back. I handed it to her.
No,
And
we
you can
watched
check me.
we watched the video.
You can check me and everything. I don't have no glasses.
So we
and
want-
I swear to God,
I
I wouldn't even.
understand.
I wouldn't even risk it.
I understand.
You don't understand because
I
if you
do.
was understanding, you would be
I
hearing
know,
me out.
but I ain't hearing you
And-
out. But you didn't let me finish. So I'm gonna give you some information. We watched the video camera. We did see you take the glasses. We did see you put in your persons, and we saw you walk out. We didn't see you go back in and give it back to her. So my next question is, where is it? Where did you put it?
I handed them back to her.
Not
You
according
can't
to the
tell-
video. You walked
can't
out.
Tell me. Okay, so where's they at?
So I'm asking you, where'd you put it?
I didn't put them nowhere. I gave them back to
Not
her.
according to the video footage.
Well, I gave them back to her.
Not in the video footage.
Well, I don't have no
so
glasses.
she was
I
in
might
the,
have a lookalike or something, but I don't have no glasses.
it says University of Georgia Bulldogs. You got blue shoes,
And you
exactly.
can't, but you can't hold me accountable for something that I don't got.
So we could, because on video and it shows you walking out with it, never coming back. You never gave it back to her.
She said, when you touch your glasses, give them back to me for sanitary purposes. I handed her the glasses back for her to sanitize.
You know, this could be easily resolved. We're just going to look at the video, and then you can recount your side of the story, and then we'll be done.
But if you said you already seen the camera, then what is you taking me back over there for? I don't have no glasses.
I want you to explain to me that, hey, no, it looks like that, but if you notice at this frame, I passed the glasses back to the attendant. Explain it to me. Show me in the video where you did all that, so we can get this cleared.
Long story short, so what are y'all trying to do? Take me to jail?
I'm not trying to do anything. I'm trying to investigate this allegation.
So you in handcuffs right now? No. We're still
I'm not trying to
investigating.
miss my flight. I don't
Roger
have
that.
time to. So I'm just.
So the more we keep talking, the less time we have to get you on
said
that
you
flight.
already seen the camera, so y'all
Show,
feel like.
so show the process. So you're going to go set Sunglass Hut. Show where you were, how'd you did it, and how'd you handed it back. Because you're telling that I can't visually picture it. I'm not up there. You actually said, you told me that this is what you did.
I picked some glasses up and she was like.
So show him
she
upstairs.
Took them back and she was like, here, if you can't get it in there. I have a
Well,
vape in
you
my.
know, this is America, and you get to face your accuser. and we're gonna get this thing straight.
And I had my vape in my hand as well, with in my pocket, because I've been vaping.
Okay.
That's what was put in.
So let's go ahead and talk to her then. Come on.
I'm gonna look. Go ahead.
Okay. So come on in.
Excuse me, ma'am, when I picked those glasses up, you may have thought that I put glasses in my pocket, but I had a vape in my hand.
Well, this
And I
I'm got you on camera right here.
And I got the vape in my hand. You see me
This is the whole thing.
You see me put something in my pocket, but it was my
And the
vape.
lady that was with you, she took them too.
Well, I don't know what
She-
anybody else has going
Yeah,
on.
she's got it too, and she conceals it under her shirt. You just put them in your bag.
I didn't put. How can I put anything in this bag?
You want to watch the video?
Yeah, let's go ahead and show her because she's saying that she can explain it.
Show me putting it in my
But she,
bag.
she says that she
And
gave
God,
the
if it don't
glasses
show
and
that I
returned them
put
to you.
my money, and if it don't show me putting it in the
I
bag,
didn't say
I'm
let
gonna sue the f- out of her because she's discriminating.
I'll call you right back.
I'm about to sue the f- out of her because I know for a fact I didn't put it in my
Okay, first
purse.
and foremost, you don't have to use any
Matter of
foul
fact,
language. We're all civil
Where's my
here.
phone so I can call my lawyer?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure where your phone is.
Oh God, you want some extra out there shit on some racism, and I'll never come back here.
Other one just
Get my identity off your phone. That's another lawsuit.
No, ma'am, I didn't record.
Okay, just go ahead and bring up the video.
Get me off your phone. You don't have my authorization to have.
In the state of Georgia, you need no consent from the second party to record. If you'd like to ask them that.
That's right. It's,
From the camera, you can't record the camera. No, girl, you didn't record
You have a flight to
that.
take. The more we argue, the longer it's gonna take.
Nah, because she pissing me off because
No,
she really
let her
wants some
do her
racist
thing.
shit.
let her do her thing so we can get you moving.
The more you talk,
I'll
the longer
escort her, Aldo, and I'll show you the video.
No, they said I have rights to be in here.
Yes, ma'am, they can
to
show it
see
to
what's
you, though,
going on.
whenever they
I ain't
like.
gotta
I
get
don't-
out
But
there.
if you're talking back to her that, we're not gonna
I'd
show.
like her escorted out, though, please.
Okay, you got to go. Turn around,
Show you
ma'am.
guys the video.
You're under arrest for theft, for shoplifting. Turn around, ma'am, please.
So I'm missing my flight.
I don't know when your flight is, but turn around,
My
please.
flight is at 6:40, but she
Ma'am,
asking
turn
you
around,
to
please.
escort me.
Okay, I know we don't want to deal with that.
So
We try to help you, but you keep talking.
she said for me to get escorted out. So now I'm gonna
No, you're under arrest now for retail theft, shoplifting.
No, ma'am, it's a misdemeanor. You'll be out.
Get you moving right along.
What?
There you go.
You found those?
Tampering with evidence as well.
Tampering with evidence, Roger. Are those it?
Sir, that's them. Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am, you've been charged with shoplifting and tampering with evidence.
These are demonstration glasses, but they're still the same price as a live working pair.
Okay.
She asked to use a public restroom. Officers offered a private, escorted bathroom, correct? Under Florida versus Royer. She went in and left the glasses there. Georgia Code Section 16-10-94. Concealing evidence when an investigation is pending is a crime. She knew why she was detained. Under California versus Hodari D., abandoned property loses Fourth Amendment protection. 3 explanations. Never at the store. Return the glasses. The pocket item was a vape. None survived the footage. Contradictory accounts support consciousness of guilt. The companion concealed Gucci merchandise under her shirt on surveillance, then boarded her flight while her companion was detained. Over $500. Georgia Code Section 16-8-14. Felony shoplifting. Lead Officer B+. Evidence reviewed before contact force proportional under Graham versus Connor. Gap, the companion was still in the terminal and got away. Subject D. Discarding the glasses turned a defensible misdemeanor into 2 counts. No credible defense on tampering. Companion F. On surveillance, still in the building, still boarded. Felony exposure under Georgia law is real. The lesson destroying evidence mid-detention creates a second crime with independent proof. She walked in facing a misdemeanor, walked out facing 2 counts. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to check out our channel for even more police interaction and courtroom content.
Well, can I find my family so I can let them know
Well,
what's
I think
going
they know
on?
you're here, but they'll probably see you on the way out.
Did you want to record that, though?
Yeah, I'll let him deal with that.
So I'm about to go to jail down here? That's what it is? Are y'all serious?
It's a misdemeanor.
Back just a second.
Because I don't think she's going to pursue the felony
Well, would you
charges.
just give me a ticket or you taking me to jail?
Oh yeah, they'll rebook you easily enough. We can do that. Would you?
So are you taking me to jail, writing me a ticket?
Not sure at this point.
Go to the other
We're trying to, I'm going to let him go ahead
Sir, I
and
don't get in
investigation.
trouble. I don't do nothing. And I have a son's waiting on me to get home.
So who's your friend in the red shirt?
That's grandma.
And that's she had the red and blue Gucci she put under her shirt, and then she'll put it in her bag.
You see her where it goes on the shirt and into the bag?
Yeah, I showed him I broke it into 2 videos just because it paused on me, so I had to restart it. But that's where she puts it in the bag.
So am I going to jail or can I get a ticket
It's
and
not.
pay it? Like, what can I do?
It's not in Chatham County. It's not a ticket. So you are going to get booked. I hate to say it, and I'm going to be blunt as possible. Sometimes actions got consequences, and this happened to one of them.
But
unfortunately, hey, listen.
in Oklahoma, if it's under $1,000, they write you a ticket.
So this is not Oklahoma. This is Chatham County, Georgia. Georgia's different.
Can my brother pay some money right now for me to not get booked in? Can he pay?
Yeah, he can probably take care of it.
Can my brother pay right now where I want
No,
him to
not
go
right
to
now.
jail?
No. What do you want to do with grandma? Try to locate and
Yeah.
recover the property?
Yep.
Okay, so would you like to give this to your brother?
Like I can't believe that y'all trying to put me in jail. Like why would I not be? I ain't got my phone or nothing. Like I'm miles away from home. Like I can't get a ticket.
Yeah. I don't work that way here for that charge. Did you get that? Get that?
So the other person can get away free. Y'all blaming me.
What other person is that now?
She said that I was in there with somebody.
Oh yeah, we don't have her. Well, the flight hadn't left yet. What's that? Yeah.
Who's she with? Who's she related to you in the red
I
shirt?
don't know her, but she said that it was 2 of us in there on the camera at the same time. So why is she blaming me if she showed me?
So we found you first, but we're gonna look for her now.
I didn't get to hit my bag.
Well, they won't let you take it to jail.
Okay, I didn't get to hit it.
So that's what I said. That's something that you're trying to get hit.
I got one. I don't know where the other one is. She's kind of like, she went totally gone once we started tracking her. But she's got a flight to catch, so she's probably up there. What's that? Yep, we caught him. When she went in the bathroom, she discarded the stolen glasses. Oops, found it. It's those glasses with recorders. Over 300.
Over 300?
Yeah. And the other, it's a misdemeanor. I know. What options do we have?
They'll probably set a bond for her. It's like it's pretty low anyways.
Yeah.
She does want to prosecute, so we're trying to find her. She's got a red jacket shirt on.
Did she steal something?
Yeah, so I can't see her in the concourse area.